Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn Online. We are going to discuss 50 numbers of general knowledge questions and answers. Before that, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon and select all notification to get the notification first. So let's start. Question number 1. Which is India's national anthem? The answer is Jana Gana Mana. Next question. Which is India's national animal? The answer is tiger. Which is Odisha's state anthem? The answer is Bande Utkal Janani. Next question. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka wheel of the Indian national flag? The answer is 24. Next question. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Free India? The answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Next question. Which is the state emblem of Odisha? The answer is the Konark horse. Next question. In which year the present state emblem of Odisha was adopted? The answer is 1964. Next question. The Constituent Assembly made to frame a constitution for India had its first sitting on which date? The answer is 9th December 1946. Next question. How many elected members were there from the provinces in the Constituent Assembly? The answer is 292. The next question. What is the number of members in the Constituent Assembly after the partition of India? The answer is 299. Next question. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Who was the chairman of the Committee on Fundamental Rights and Minorities of the Constituent Assembly? The answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. The Constituent Assembly had how many days in total to frame the Constitution of India? The answer is 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Next question. On which date and year the Constitution of India was adopted? The answer is 26th November 1949. Next question. Who suggested preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. How many articles and schedules were there present in the original Constitution of India? The answer is 395 and 8. Next question. The idea of the preamble to the Constitution of India has been derived from which constitution? The answer is US Constitution. Next question. How many schedules are there in the Constitution of India at present? The answer is 12. Next question. The constitutional provisions related to Panchayat Raj are enumerated in which schedule of the Constitution? The answer is 11th. The names and territorial extent of the states and union territories are mentioned in which schedule of the Constitution? The answer is first. Next question. How many times the preamble has been amended so far? The answer is once. Next question. Constitutional provisions related to citizenship are mentioned under which part of the Indian Constitution? The answer is part 2. Next question. How many rights to freedom are there in the Constitution? The answer is 6. Under which article the right to education was included in the Indian Constitution? The answer is Article 21A. Next question. The provision of preventive detention is mentioned in which of the article? The answer is Article 22. Next question. Prohibition of employment of children in a factory is mentioned in which article? The answer is Article 24. Next question. Right to constitutional remedies is mentioned in which article? The answer is Article 32. Next question. Protection of the interest of minorities is mentioned in which article? The answer is Article 29. Next question. The Constitution prohibits any form of beggars in the country under which article? The answer is 23. Next question. How many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution at present? The answer is 11. Next question. Which article contain the directive principles in the Constitution? The answer is Article 36 to 51. Next question. Which part is described as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? The answer is Part 3. Next question. The fundamental duties are enumerated in which part of the Constitution? The answer is Part 4A. Next question. Which article describes India as a union of states? The answer is Article 1. Next question. The division of power between the union and center is mentioned in which schedule of the Constitution? The answer is 7th. Next question. How many subjects are there in the union list? The answer is 99 subjects. Next question. Education is a subject found in which list? The answer is concurrent list. Next question. How many subjects are there in the state list? The answer is 61 subjects. Next question. Which article of the Constitution of India makes provisions for President's rule? The answer is Article 356. Next question. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Interstate Council in India? The answer is Prime Minister. Next question. Which article of Indian Constitution deals with national emergency? The answer is Article 352. Next question. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? The answer is Chief Justice of India. Next question. What is the present salary of the President of the Union of India in terms of rupees? The answer is 5 lakhs. Next question. What is the minimum age required to contest for election to the office of the President of India? The answer is 35 years. Next question. What is the minimum age required to be the member of the lower house of the parliament? The answer is 25 years. Who act as the President of India when neither the President nor the Vice President is available? The answer is Chief Justice of India. Next question. How many members does the President nominate to Rajya Sabha? The answer is 12. Next question. The Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha is elected by whom? The answer is by the members of Rajya Sabha. Next question. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of Parliament? The answer is 6 months. Last question. What is the type of budget in India? The answer is annual. So friends, this is the end of this video. If you like it, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.